Developmental milestones are skills that most babies are able to do by a certain time. Examples of developmental milestones are holding the head up, rolling over, grabbing at objects, following objects with the eyes, and smiling. Like building blocks, each milestone lays the foundation for the next. If a baby is having trouble with a certain milestone, this can affect future milestones and cause delays. Your pediatrician knows when certain milestones should be reached. Milestone charts can help you know and track your baby's progress with their milestones. Here are some examples. This Cleveland Clinic developmental milestones chart shows that by 3 to 4 months old, a term newborn should be able to hold their head up unsupported, roll from back to side, babble, smile, and coo. This particular chart goes from 3 to 4 months to 6 years. There are a number of printable charts you can access online. Here's a developmental milestone wheel from Help Me Grow. The milestone chart from the American Academy of Pediatrics healthychildren.org site, and the milestone moments from the CDC. The CDC also has a CDC Developmental Milestones Tracker app for your phone. As you can see, there are many options for you to retrieve a developmental milestone chart for your baby.